going to discuss about the macropropagation. What is macropropagation? Macropropagation is a method to produce genetically identical plantlets by using tissue culture techniques. So for the macropropagation, there is the requirement of the nutrient media and the meristematic tissue or somatic cells of superior plants. So what is the main objective of macropropagation? Through the macropropagation, we can produce the virus-free stock and we can produce the progenies which are genetically identical to their parents. So these are the techniques of macropropagation. So these is showing stages and these are showing methodology. And in stage 0, we'll select the mother plant. Then stage first comes. And in stage first, we'll initiate the culture. We can take MS medium for the culturing process. And for the culturing process, we'll select the explant. An explant can be small piece of plant that is taken from the plant. That can be leaves, stems, roots, shoot tip, meristem. Then stage second comes, and in this stage second, multiplication of shoots is involved. And for the multiplication of shoots, we'll take the cytokinin in higher amount as compared to the auxin, because cytokinin promotes shooting. And then stage third comes, and in this stage third, rooting process is involved, in which we'll take the concentration of auxin in higher amount as compared to the cytokinin. Then stage fourth comes, and in stage 4, we'll transfer the plantlets that is generated from these stages to the greenhouse environment from the laboratory. Then two approaches of macropropagation comes. There are two approaches. First approach is multiplication by auxiliary buds or apical shoots. Second is multiplication by adventitious shoots. In this process, in the apical shoots, we'll take the apical shoots from the mother plant. And here apical shoots is worked as a explant. This diagram is showing the representation of shoot tip culture in macropropagation. This is the mother plant, and in this plant, this is the shoot apex. And from this part, we'll take the shoot tip. And this shoot tip is cultured on the MS medium. And after the culturing process, shoot development, root development, and hardening process are showing in this diagram. And after the hardening process, that small plant is planted into the soil, and this soil is present in the pot. So we can say from the mother plant, similar identical plant is generated through the technique of macropropagation. Next technique is the single node technique. This is the diagrammatic representation of macropropagation by single node technique. We'll take the node from this part, and after the node that is isolated, that is cultured on the MS media, then shooting rooting process is showing here. This is showing that is the shoot is grown there, and here rooting process is showing here. And after the processor, we can say axillary bud culture comes, and in the axillary bud culture, we can take shoot tip along with auxiliary bud is okay, along with auxiliary bud. So this is the mother plant in which we'll take shoot tip. We'll take shoot tip along with auxiliary bud. So this is the media in which shoot tip is cultured, and after the culturing process, shoot and root is developed in this diagram. So this diagram is showing that shooting and rooting procedure that is developed from the small explant. And then this picture is showing that node is isolated, meristem is isolated, that is shoot tip, and in the shoot tip meristematic tissue is present. So after that shoot development is showing in this picture, and then rooting procedure is showing in this picture. And after this procedure, multiplication of adventitious shoots comes. That is the second approach of the macropropagation. In this procedure, we will take the adventitious shoots. Then what is adventitious shoots? Adventitious shoots is the stem and leaf structures that are naturally formed on plant tissues located in sites other than the normal leaf axial regions are regarded as adventitious shoots. So this picture is showing this is adventitious shoots. So we will take adventitious shoots that is cultured on the MS media, and after the culturing process, shooting process is occurred, and in shooting process cytokinin hormones promotes the shooting process, and after the shooting rooting process comes, and in the rooting process auxin hormones promotes the process of the rooting. So by this way I have discussed about the macropropagation techniques today. Thank you.